Uh, Hari ini kami ingin membentangkan tugasan amali yang vertical work yang keempat. So tajuk tugasan amali kami adalah untuk vertical keempat ni adalah multi-pressure and demulti-pressure using multi-shift. So we are from program DE 3A. So grup kami adalah grup yang keenam. Yang pertama adalah saya, Anderson Rona, anak Kajan. Dan second adalah Terence Inding, anak Edwin. Yang ketiga adalah Awang Muhammad Saipul bin Awang Kalang. So for the theory, saya serahkan kepada Awang Muhammad Saipul.
Okay, teori untuk multiplexer and demultiplexer using multisim. Learning outcome: at the end of this experiment, student will be able to, yang pertama, to construct a multiplexer and demultiplexer circuit the multisim software. Yang kedua, to perform procedure to complete the MUX and the MUX circuit. Yang ketiga, to analyze the waveform from oscilloscope. Untuk equipment and component, kami gunakan laptop atau PC. Yang kedua, multisim software. Dan untuk teori, in electronic, a multiplexer or MUX is a device that selects one of several analog or digital input signal and forward the selected input into a signal line. A multiplexer of two inputs has a select lines, which are used to select which input line to send to the output. Multiplexer are mainly used to increase the amount of data that can be sent over the network within a certain amount of time and bandwidth. Multiplexer is also called a data selector. Conversely, a demultiplexer or DMUX is a device taking a single input signal and selecting one of many data output lines, which is connected to the single input. A multiplexer is often with a complementary demultiplexer on the receiving end. Dan ini adalah rajah schematic of a 2-to-1 multiplexer. Dan prosedur saya 2-to-1 multiplexer. Prosedur saya serahkan kepada Teren.
Okey, untuk kita mendapatkan prosedur multiplexer, yang pertama sekali kita adalah construct the following multiplexer circuit by using multisim software. Okey, ini seperti yang dalam gambar kita akan nampak itu adalah cara kita mendapatkan circuit dan kita akan masukkan dalam multisim dan kita akan mendapatkan raja untuk multiplexer circuit. Untuk yang kedua adalah kita akan use an instrument oscilloscope Tetronics and as output for input signal and multiplexer. Untuk yang ketiga adalah connect all input signal to each of channel at oscilloscope. Yang keempat adalah choose simulate run to view the operation of the circuit. Yang kelima, kita akan double click on the oscilloscope 1 and oscilloscope 2 to open its front panel. Yang keenam adalah set and each channel for board ataupun division iaitu 5 board. Yang kedua adalah SEC ataupun division 1 ms.
Board time division.
Board time division. Untuk yang ketujuh, kita perlu adjust vertical position button to arrange the channel. Dan yang terakhir sekali adalah print the result of input signal and multiplexer. Untuk prosedur yang kedua, kita akan mendapatkan di multiplexer. Yang pertama adalah continue construct the following demultiplexer circuit by using multisim software. Seperti yang pertama tadi, kita akan menggunakan multisim untuk mendapatkan gambar rajah demultiplexer circuit seperti yang kita nampak dalam gambar. Okey, supaya kita dapatkan gambar, kita akan menggunakan instrumen oscilloscope Tektronix as output for output demultiplexer. Yang ketiga adalah connect all output of demultiplexer to each of channel at oscilloscope. Next is choose simulate and ataupun run to view the operation of the circuit. Double click on the oscilloscope tree to open its front panel. Yang keenam adalah set in each channel for volt division, itu 5 volt, and B untuk second division 1 ms. The last one is adjust vertical position button to arrange the channel and print the result of output demultiplexer. Okay, untuk ini adalah keputusan yang kita dapat tadi dalam multisim. Itu pertama adalah circuit connection.
So kita akan menggunakan gambar rajah tadi dalam multisim 14 lah. Kami menggunakan software multisim 14. So the second one is a graph from the input signal, multiplexer and demultiplexer. So for the number one, oscilloscope 1 input signal. So this is our input waveform for the input signal. So second one is oscilloscope 2 multiplexer. The waveform is this. So the third one is oscilloscope 3 demultiplexer. This is the waveform, the result waveform. So the questions, state the total number of the input signal that show on XSC1 oscilloscope for the inputs. Then state the frequency for each of these signal by using a measure button on the XSC1 oscilloscope. So the answer is there is a 4 total number of input signal on XSC1s. The frequency of each signal in XSC1 is 10 Hz. Also XSC2 oscilloscope for multiplexer graph. Explain the interconnection between the graph and graph from XSC1's display. So the interconnection of XSC2 graph and XSC1 graph is both are in clock signal. But however, the frequency in XSC2 is higher than XSC1's. In the XSC1's graph, the signal is consistent and array, while in XSC2 is the signal frequency is higher than getting a little bit slower, but the frequency is still higher than that to XSC1. So for the third question is the answer is the interconnection of XSC3 is pretty much the same as XSC1 and 2 in terms of signal. However, the wavelength for the XSC3 graph is longer than that XSC1 and 2. The signal in XSC3 has quite a similar tempo with XSC2, albeit the movement in XSC3 is a little bit lower than that of XSC2. So for the discussion, Teren. Teren.
Okay. Okay, for the discussion, multiplexer means many into one. A multiplexer is a circuit used to select and route any one of the several input signal to a single output. A simple example of a non-electronic circuit of a multiplexer is a single pole multi-position switch. Multi-position switches are widely used in many electronic circuits. However, circuits that operate at high speed require the multiplexer to be automatically selected. A mechanical switch cannot perform this task efficiently. Therefore, multiplexer is used to perform high-speed switching, a construct of electronic component. Multiplexer also can handle two types of data. For example, is analog and digital. For analog application, multiplexer are built using relays and transistor switch. For digital application, they are built from standard logic gate. The multiplexer means one to many. The multiplexer is a circuit with one input and many output. By applying control signal, we can steer any input to the output. And the few types of the multiplexer are 1 to 2, 1 to 4, and 1 to 8, and 1 to 16 demultiplexer. Following figure illustrate the general idea of our demultiplexer with one input signal, and control signal, and n output signal. Conclusion, Saiful.
And for conclusion, summary of what student learn and overall practical work. For conclusion of practical work 4 is about multiplexer and demultiplexer using multisim. Firstly, student will be able to construct a multiplexer and demultiplexer circuit the multisim software. Then, perform procedure to complete the MUX and demux circuit. Next, analyze the waveform from oscilloscope. Lastly, an electronic multiplexer can be considered as a multiple input, single output switch, and a demultiplexer as a single input, multiple output switch. That's all from us. Thank you.
So that's all for the practical work 4.